Once you have created and provisioned site-wide user segments, you can navigate to the Enrollment Methods page in the relevant course and from the Add Method drop-down list, select the User Segment Sync Enrollment method. Give your enrollment instance a name that will be easy to identify. If you make the sync active, users will immediately be enrolled and have access to the course. You can always return to these settings to activate this at a later stage. Next, select the existing user segment for which you would like to synchronize course enrollment, and specify the default course role that will be assigned to users who are enrolled via this method. Finally, to ensure that the segmentation created at site level by user segments is maintained in your course, from the Add to Group dropdown, select Create New Group. This will create a course group with the same name as the user segment and will automatically add all users from the segment to that new group. When you then click on Add Method, the user segment sync will be created, and you will see the users from that segment enrolled into your course.